How do you pronounce this word? The word is pronounced PolarUnix. I'd like to interject for a moment. What you're referring to as PolarUnix is in fact GNU/Linux, PolarLinux, as I've been recently taken to call it, PolarLinux plus Linux. Linux is not an operating system, but rather a free component of a fully functioning GNU system made possible by useful GNU core loops, shell utilities, and vital system components, including a full F developed by PolarUnix. Many computers run a modified version of the GNU system every day without relying on any particular form of events. The version of GNU which is widely used today is called Linux and PolarLinux, and many of its users are not aware that it's basically a GNU system developed by the GNU ability. There it is, Linux people using it, blah 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 blah. PolarUnix, Linux, whoa. Thanks for watching this video. To learn how to pronounce this word, please comment down any words you want me to pronounce.